Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at how to open your color specs and a few different ways to go about it. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now, the color spec, this is a great place if you want to change a lot of information about your colors, make duplicates, and manage them. But so in this little mini series, we're going to be covering the different properties and tabs as well. But otherwise, like I mentioned today, we're going to be looking at opening it. There is a few ways. And the reason why there's a few ways is in case some of these panels are not open. So by far the easiest way is if your standard toolbar on top here is open, you can always go to this little magnifying glass with a paint drop in it. If you click that, it will open your color specs for you. Another way we can do this is we go on top to our main menu, go to view. Then what we want to do is we go down till we find color. Then we go color specs. So then as you can see, it takes us to the same place. So just a quick again, view, color specs. And then another way you can do that is go on any color here on your color swatch and you just double click it. And then it will also open your color specs. But the great thing about this is it will go to the color you've selected, so you can see the name and so forth. And now something just to keep in mind, let's say you have a shape, let's make it yellow, and then you want to go to this color specs with this method, and let's say we double click something like this, then you will see it does change the color as well. So just keep that in mind if you're going to use that method. Rather deselect everything, just double click it, or make sure you double click on the right color. But I would mostly use that method if you want to find information about a certain color. You can that's a great way to go about it. And let's say for some reason your top standard bar is not here, because this is by far the easiest way to go there. Then what you can do is you just go to your view and then you go to toolbars. You'll see the shortcut for that is Control T. So if we open this, then you can go here to your standard toolbar. So if it's like this, not active, you can always just go there, click on the little right mark there next to your toolbar, to the standard toolbar, and then it will add it. You can also go on a white space here on your toolbar, right click, and we've got all the toolbars there. So you can also go standard or put it back. Otherwise, that is it on opening color specs. I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along as we carry on with this little mini series. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right here. If you for some reason though do not find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we'll make that little video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.